There we go. If you notice, I am adjusting both sides. Have you ever had these adjustments before?
No.
And you can see that her right rib cage is about a ½ inch lower than her left rib cage. Do you feel the difference right there? Same here. Oh yeah. And you're gonna feel a little tap right there. Feel another little tap.
Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. ASMR chiropractic adjustment are essentially different chiropractic techniques that attempt to relieve the stress of patients. This video consists of several treatments including cranial, sacral therapy and myofascial release, which is often referred to the hands-on spinal manipulation techniques used in this video are known as chiropractic adjustment.
We've already done her orthopedic neurological evaluation, but I want to show you a couple of highlights of that. Turn backwards for me again, Laura. And then back to neutral. Yep. Now she's got a little bit of forward head posture and a little translation to the right of center. You can see there's a left convexity scoliosis or curvature in her thoracic spine. Her right shoulder's a little higher than her left. Okay, so I'm going to have you sit right here on the table for me. I'm just going to redo a couple of the orthopedic tests that were positive. When I did this, she said she had pain in the lower cervical spine. Is that still there?
Yep.
Here, does that cause pain in the left side here?
A little bit, yep, right there.
And if you tilt your head this way, you feel it stretching and pulling.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you go this way, you feel the same thing over here.
Yep, very
and
tight.
that makes that worse. Mm-hmm. If I lift up like that, does that make it feel better, same, or worse?
Better.
Better. Okay, I'm going to push down, hold. See, she's really weak in her right deltoid here, which is supplied by the C5 nerve. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to push down, resist. See, that's really weak too. So she's got bilateral neurological issues in her cervical brachial plexus. Check her biceps now, hold. Good, now I'm going to push in, hold. Now her biceps and triceps are stronger than her deltoids. I'm going to pull, hold. Good, now I'm going to push, hold. Good, good. Okay, yeah, there you go. Oops, there we go. That's it. Motor reflexes are +2 equal and active. We'll show them one more thing. Let's lay on your back for me. Talking about with the rib cage alignment. I always feel the lower part of the rib cage here where the cartilaginous ribs come up and attach to the lower part of the sternum. And you can see that her right rib cage is about a ½ inch lower than her left rib cage. Do you feel the difference right there?
Mm-hmm.
And then I put some pressure right in her substernal area there, and that's really tender, isn't it? Okay, you're going to feel your pelvis popping up just a little bit here. I'm going to adjust your left SI first, which is that one that we had the problem with, remember?
Yep.
She had a sacral deviation to the left on her sacral deviation orthopedic test. L4 straight P to A. L3, I got a little bit more of an upward angle to it, which is how the zygapophyseal joints line up for the facets. Just relax and exhale. There you go. Same here, hon. Yep, just keep breathing normally.
Oh.
That's good. I got you. Yeah, don't hold your breath. Just exhale. Just like that. There we go. Now see, her legs are exactly even now, and I bet you this already feels a little easier than the first time.
Wow.
Yep. You can see predictable results with. There we go. It's a combination of Thompson, Biophysics, Palmer, College of Chiropractic, diversified techniques. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. There we go. That's it. That's it. Now put your arms straight out to the sides. I'm going to be adjusting your shoulders, your clavicles here, and your interior rib. If you notice, I am adjusting both sides. That's a little tender, huh?
Yeah.
There we go. Good. Next thing I'm going to do is we're going to have you sit up and face that way. There we go. I'm not going to put your stomach down until after I get you decompressed. Head up this way.
Oh, okay.
There you go. And just relax your arms there. Now slide up to where your hips right underneath that pin. Perfect.
Scared.
Yeah. So you just have them keep your teeth together for me, Laura. Take a breath through your nose and exhale. Oh yeah. Now you should have felt that all the way down.
Ow.
Did you?
Yep.
Okay. You feel a lot in your ribs?
Oh my god.
You feel your ribs moving?
Back here.
Kind of knocks the air out of you at first,
Oh.
huh?
Cracked.
I know. Believe me, I know. Drop this in my hand. There we go. Same here. Oh yeah. There you go.
Okay.
I don't have any heads on my trophy wall yet. I won't share with you. Okay, now just relax right there for me. And I want you to take a real deep breath in.
Can we take a 1 second break?
Sure.
My whole body's just like, wow, a lot of stuff just happened.
A lot of stuff just happened, yep.
This is the part I'm
But I
most
want to show you
nervous.
something already. Look at the
It
difference
feels,
already.
no, it actually feels more even.
Just doing that right here. Yeah,
Before,
but look at this.
Yeah.
See, that's almost even. Well, this
I've
is the
had
part
it-
that's going to help you the most, though. Okay, exhale. Take a deep breath in, and then exhale. Now, see, I'm going down in here slowly,
Ooh.
and then I grab the stomach, the fundus, and then I'm going to pull it straight down. Keep
Stop,
exhaling.
stop,
Keep
stop.
exhaling. There you go. That's it. I know it hurts a little bit at first.
Whew.
So I'm grabbing the fundus of the stomach, or the top part of the stomach, and I'm physically pulling that down through the diaphragm.
How do you how am I gonna feel?
I'll show you. Come on over here. And exhale. This is Alex's finger, so it should feel even better.
Oh my god.
Now pull down. Once you grab, you feel that knot in there? Okay, you notice I'm not sliding down her shirt. You were sliding on her shirt a little bit.
So just
You don't slide on the shirt.
pull
You
it.
actually grab the organ and pull it down.
Okay.
Feel so much better afterwards. Okay, deep breath in.
Yep.
Exhale. Okay, you go straight down slowly, and then once you get it, you pull it down.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, don't slide your fingers. Just see how I'm pulling down. There we go.
Alright, so you're just with this hand.
I'm using this hand as
Got
a
it.
guide
Yeah.
to pull it down harder.
Got
That
it.
gets, and you got to really kind of put your weight into it. This is not as easy as it looks on
Yeah,
YouTube.
it should be painful.
Now I'm gonna check her ileocecal valve here too. That's probably pretty sore right there too.
Yeah.
And she's been getting some gastritis and IBS stuff along with her hiatal hernia. So I'm checking both the valves on both sides. This side's the ileocecal valve, and over here we have the valve between the large intestine and the rectum, which sometimes those valves can get stopped up, or because of the autonomic nervous system dysfunction that's going on in the sympathetics and parasympathetics, it can also cause a
I've heard all of those terms before by all
diarrhea. Yeah, sit up, face toward Joseph for a second there. There we go. Now, see there, folks, her head's still on. She's still smiling. Okay.
It's already better movement.
You're good. Yep, that's your right shoulder. See, I told you I was going to line you up from head to toe. Yep, there's your left shoulder.
Yeah, when they have me lie on my
On your
side.
side and twist you. Did that help you ever?
It clicks and it helps, and then about a day or
Comes
two later
back
it
and you
comes
gotta
back.
feel like you gotta do it all the time. That's why I use the drop table. You don't get as much ligaments instability doing that.
Mhm.
Okay. Good. All right, now let's come over to this table one more time and lay on your back for me. All right. I'm just gonna realign your knees and your hips here.
Okay.
There you go. Should have felt that in your knee all the way up to your pelvis. Did you?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep breathing. There you go. There we go. Perfect.
Wow.
Yeah, you're even taller now.
Hey.
That sits you
Maybe
up
I'll
here
be the
now.
same height I was on my license after
There you go.
license then.
Stand right here an inch. Yep.
Yeah.
You probably got it back today. Okay, I'm gonna have you close your eyes again, Laura,
Okay.
and bend your head forward and backwards again, please. And remember how this feels. Then back to neutral. Now look at her head posture. It's up more now. You see that? Her shoulders are squared off more. Much better. So here's your homework. Go ahead and look in the mirror.
Okay.
You're gonna pull your shoulders up and then back. Hold them there. Flare these arms back like this. See how that tightens up your entire
No, it feels
trapezius?
good.
Yep. Let me lift it up. Then we're gonna have you look up, and your goal would be to look at the wall behind you.
Okay.
And you're gonna feel a little tap right there. You're gonna feel another little tap right there. Okay, relax again. Now, when you go forward and backwards again this time, you tell me if it feels any smoother to you.
There's
Look at much
way more.
improved range of motion too.
There's way more.
Back to neutral. Now look in the mirror right now.
Chin's
Look how
straight.
square you are.
Yeah.
Shoulders are squared off. You don't have that curve in here. Pelvis is level. Hands are even.
This feels.
Your arms are at your sides now as opposed to
lower.
being out
Can
in
she
front of you.
walk just towards the mirror for 1 second?
Sure. Go ahead and walk.
Yeah, even your leg. You know,
It's
like
not
your
flaring
left
out
leg-
like it
yeah,
used to.
Exactly.
Yeah, because this
That's
is always
because her
in
pelvis
pain.
is lined up better. Her sacroiliacs. Yep.
So I mean, I feel straighter and.
If you like chiropractic video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.